Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to hide data in Excel and why it's a good idea to do so. Now here you see I have a very large spreadsheet with lots of columns and hundreds of records. So my spreadsheet includes my products, my units sold, sale price, gross sales, a lot of sensitive information. So let's imagine I would like to share this spreadsheet, but not all of it. There is some data that I would like to hide. For example, I would like to hide sales price, gross sales, profits, things like that. Let's start with the unit sold column. I would like to hide it, so I could select it, then right click, and from the drop down menu select hide. So column E is now hidden. I can unhide it by going back here in between the columns till I see a double arrow with a space between, because there are two types of double arrows. There is this one with no space, and there is this double arrow. So as soon as I see that double arrow, I can just double click, and here is my column again. Let's try that again with my gross sales column. Select it, right click, and choose hide. Now it appears as though I have deleted the column, but I haven't. It is hidden, not visible. And by double clicking again, it reappears. I could do the same with some rows. So if I wanted to hide these rows, I would select them, right click, and choose hide. They're not visible anymore. Again, by double clicking, they reappear. So let's hide column E, column F, G, H. Let's also hide those. J, K, and L. So all columns with sensitive information about my sales are now hidden. I could easily now send this spreadsheet to somebody and give him the information that he needs. Now, this person may notice that some columns are hidden. I have the ability to protect my data. From the Review tab, I could choose to protect this sheet or protect the whole workbook. There is only one sheet in this workbook, so I would choose Protect Sheet. Now I can enter a password which can be used to unprotect the sheet. So whoever can have access to all the spreadsheet, the whole spreadsheet, even the hidden columns, would have to know the password. So I would enter a password here, click on OK, and then my sheet would be protected. So my hidden columns would not be visible. No one can unhide them without using the password. So let's try and do that. Protect a password. Let's write sales, for example, and OK. Re-enter the password to proceed. Sales. Caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So be very careful. And remember that the passwords are case sensitive. Okay, Now, let's try to unhide our columns. It does not give me the ability to unhide. The double arrow does not pop up. So you see, not even in the drop-down menu, which means that it is protected. No one can unhide my data. To unprotect it, so I want the data visible, I want all the columns visible, unprotect, it asks me for my password, sales. Okay, and now I can unhide all my columns again. And here. So you see how useful the hide function can be in Excel. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.